Oh yeah, it's alive. Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and you know, it's been a while since I've even brought up this offset smoker here. That's that old rusty one that I picked up from a nephew. I've been changing my backyard around, been trying to get everything set up. So I've got this area over here that, yeah, I have a Weber. The wind blows the cover off every time it blows, so I got to tie that down a little better. But so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fix that up real quick. Just do a quick little fix up. I think we agreed when I introduced it quite a while ago not to restore it all the way, but leave it with its rusty look. And yeah, so let's just take a quick tour around the backyard. Set up over here, I've got my propane grill, got my offset, got my little offset bird feeder down there. So I'm gonna fix this up a little bit just to make it so we can cook on it. I do have a Weber. I haven't used that in such a long time. I have so many things to cook with. I am, yes, fortunate enough to have lots of cooking items out here. And we've got our Blackstones over here, pizza griddle, and then over there I've got all my pellet grills. Not all of them. I've got my Acorn, my little mini Acorn over there from London Sunshine, and you know, those boxes there is a cover that I'm going to be putting over the grills over there. All right, so that's what's been going on here. I did get the pergola built. Starting to feel like Tom Horseman in the land of grills over here. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this offset right now. It's going to be pretty basic. That's just kind of a teaser because I don't know what I want to cook on it first. So if you would leave a comment below, tell me what you want to see first, and we'll see what I come up with. There's a closer look to the offset. I don't know if you've seen it or remember it. You know, the firebox is decent shape. The inside of this thing, you know, it's been used. It's kind of cruddy. I needed some grates. I need to take a wire brush, and I'm going to use a wire brush and just clean that out real quick. Clean the lid a little bit, put some new grates in it. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to put out here for a shelf, probably just a piece of wood right there, but for now I'm just going to clean it up, put the shelves in it, see what you guys want me to cook in it, and we'll go from there. First thing I got to do is get rid of these nasty grates. Just throw these away, and I got this down here. These I'll keep if I ever want to just use charcoal down on the bottom. So these grates down here at the bottom, you put charcoal down there, and you can use it just like any other charcoal grill. Got my trusty wire brush. These grates are not a perfect fit, but they will definitely get the job done. Without getting some custom made, these three will fit. They'll hold whatever I put in here, just like that. So now I just need to burn it off because, man, that's a lot of stuck-on old food there. All right, there you go. That's all I'm going to do to it. I cleaned out all the gunk. I saw I had to use some fire to loosen up some of that crud that was on the lid. I got all the chunks off the inside, cleaned out the bottom, had to re-oil it because pretty rusty. I'm going to put some charcoal in there and probably a couple of pieces of wood, get that heat up, burn this off a little bit. I still got to spray my lid, but yeah, it's ready to rock and roll as soon as we get it seasoned. And leave me a comment. Tell me what you want me to cook. Okay, that was a lot of fun. I am filthy dirty. Got that thing cleaned up inside and out. We revived it. Look at the smoke coming out of the stack there. Now I'm trying something. I'm going to try something here. I have that Pitmaster IQ right there going into right there. And I've got it set at 325 degrees. So I'm going to see if that thing works for one. I mean, I know, always trying to change things up. This is an offset, but hey, if I can make it run like a pellet grill, I might use it more often, right? Okay, so there you go. The old offset is revived. Let me know what you want to see as the first cook. I'm doing a little burn off on it right now. All right, sorry. It's kind of hard to do when you don't have your tripod out here. I didn't bring it out here because I was moving around a lot, moving around the vacuum and everything. And you know, hey, I even had to use a little fire to heat it up enough to get some of that crud off. You know, you don't want any food dropping in there. So anyway, thanks for checking this out. I hope you come back to see what I cook in it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.